Hey guys, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto. It's been a cold morning in Vancouver. We have just had some hail, and it's like 2 degrees right now. It was like almost zero a few minutes back, a few hours back. We've come to a customer's location. We need to interior detail their Honda Civic. As you can see, whether it's rain or shine, we guys have just reached the customer's location. We have set up our tent so that our technicians are protected from the weather. Uh, we're going to be starting the work on this job. On this client, it should take at least 3 to 4 hours. There's some mold in the car as well. But just wanted to give you an idea that it really doesn't matter. People ask us questions. Hey, it's raining. Can you guys do my car and out of my driveway? And this is an example of how we actually go about doing stuff. We'll take videos throughout the detailing of this car and show you before and after videos as well. Thanks. Bye.